Okay, I'm about to go to the office to see what I'm doing. Oh yes, I'm in this office, so let's see who disturbs me this time, and I'll punch them. What are you doing? This is a restricted area, Zoe. I'm about to ask you to leave, or otherwise, I'm afraid I'm going to call Kimoa. Oh no, that's not Mr. Noisy. He keeps getting me every time. Up to 6 of my screen. My folks would have said this did not happen. Oh, go your folks. What did you call me fool? My pits. You should never please. Dinosaur. What in the actual world are you doing here? Oh no. Put some of my ice cream. Please. Well, come on, you instantly destroyed, so I'll just instantly have to take a Benji policy. Okay, Benji, you would have explained something about you singing the colors and then you get the aquamarine color. Wrong. Oh, I think I sang the orange song and then I got aquamarine wrong. Richard Epcot.